Hello everyone, welcome to one of Ghana's hidden gems, BridgeView Resort. Nestled along the Volta River, this place offers the perfect blend of serenity and luxury. And today, I'm excited to give you a quick tour of this stunning escape. Just take a look at these breathtaking views. Whether you are here for a weekend getaway or a longer stay, the peaceful atmosphere makes BridgeView Resort the perfect retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. From beautifully designed lodges to elegant dining spaces, every corner of this resort is crafted to provide a sense of comfort and luxury. The architecture seamlessly blends with the natural surroundings, making you feel at one with nature. Fancy a moment of tranquility? There are plenty of spots around the resort where you can unwind, relax, and soak in the serene river views. It is truly an escape like no other. Whether you are here for relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, BridgeView Resort has something special to offer everyone. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour, and if you are ever in Ghana, this spot should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more incredible locations across Ghana. See you in the next one.
I don't know how to do it.